Hi there, just a quick video because I purchased for my Sony FDR-X3000, the newest model from Sony, an external microphone, which is the RODE VideoMicro. I'm happy with the internal microphone which you are listening to at the moment. It's just that for certain occasions I noticed that I need higher quality when it comes to be it video blogging, be it filming in general. So I decided to go for this microphone, which is not so expensive. I think I paid around $55–60. So it's reasonable. The only issue is the microphone. Well, I've installed it completely now with a wind blocker. So the microphone looks like this, and it actually comes with a cable which looks like this. The issue now, which quite a few people are facing, is that this cable, it is the perfect antenna or receiver for frequencies, and especially now with the X3000 we have an issue with the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi signal. So you can hear now the difference. I will plug it in and you can hear actually that there's a small fluctuating noise which is caused by this cable. Yeah, I plug it in now. So here we go. This is now the RODE microphone. Hopefully you can hear now this very annoying noise, so I don't say anything. So now following is I will remove the cable and I actually replace it by a straight one, and you can see or hear actually that this annoying noise will disappear. So, and this is now the signal with the straight cable. So I actually hope you can hear the difference. This was pure theory. It's the first time I'm trying it, but I believe that this works now and that the noise is gone. I hope I could help you. Stay tuned.